So today I'm going to show you how to create a histogram using a cluster column chart in Power BI. You don't need to use a custom visual. A histogram is a visual that you can use to measure the distribution within a numeric column. If you look at our data set that we have here, the numeric column that we're going to be looking at is this annual mileage. And I'm going to go back to the report view. So for this histogram, you need to create what is known as bins. You can see that here. This is shown with this symbol here. This is a new group. So I'm going to click on new page so that we can look at how to create this. I'll delete this so that I can create a fresh one. So we start by right clicking on the numeric column that you want to measure the distribution for. So I'll right click on annual mileage. So we have all this here. I'll select new group. Then Power BI has automatically given you a bin size, but you can put your own, the one that you want. For my case, I'll be find the range of this particular numeric column. You can see that the maximum value is 22,000 and minimum value is 2,000. So when you subtract 22,000 from 2,000 and the number of data points I want to show is 20. So when you subtract that and divide by 20, that will give you 1,000. So I'll use 1,000 as my bin size. Click OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is to place a cluster column chart. This is a cluster column chart in my report view. Just click on it. It will be added to the report view. So it has been added. Let me collapse this and expand this. So I'll drag the open up this build, drag the mileage bins that we just created, the group itself to the x-axis. Then I want to count it by something. So in my case now, I want to use my ID column for the count. I'll drag that to the y-axis. So you can see that we've created the histogram with our native visual. You can see the distribution within this particular um, numeric column, which is a normal distribution. So that is all for this report. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to check my other Power BI project videos, you can click on this link on your screen for that. Also, if you need extra help, consultation on or Power BI dashboard creation, you can reach out to me via the email in the description below. Thank you and bye.